What's up YouTube, Pagina Racing here with another video. Today I'm gonna be giving you an update on my car, but also I need to wash my car. It's really bad. It has been sitting here for like 2 weeks, so it's really bad. Yeah, so let's go to the car wash first, and then I'll tell you the update on the water pump. But first, a cold start.
Eventually. One hour later.
So we made it to the car wash. I already washed one car. Here it is. Freaking beautiful, shiny and clean. I wash it, I wax it, so it's ready to go. Yeah, one down, one to go. This one is really dirty, like really dirty. Yeah, I spent like 2 or 3 weeks just sitting over there at the house because the water pump was damaged, so that's why it looks like that. I never had my car so dirty in my life. My god, the broken famous, of course. Oh my god, look at this. It's disgusting. That's about to change, guys. If you don't have them on Instagram, make sure you add them. They put a lot of nice and crazy stuff from only 335i. So make sure to follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna have a link in the description down below. I'm gonna put a picture around here so you can see the Instagram. They put a lot of nice stuff. Alright guys, so I have decided to take out the stripe. It's not red anymore, it's like pinkish. So and over here is the clear. It's coming apart, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna take out the stripe again. There's no going back now. Yo, look at this. That's crazy.
Two hours later.
The cars are looking nice and clean. Nice and clean. Finally clean.
later.
You guys have no idea how much I miss this car. The 2 or 3 weeks that was just at the house because the water pump was broken. I really miss this car. I love this car so much to drive it around. And I have to install the downpipes. I have the downpipes, I still don't install them. So that's next. And I'm gonna be buying the front mount intercooler soon to have a full bolt-on car finally. So yeah, there's a lot of things coming out from this car. I really miss this car so much. Oh, I miss this car. Woo. So guys, I just made it back home from the car wash. I want to give you a little update about what happened with the water pump, why it wasn't working when I tried to turn it on to bleed the system. So the day that I did the install on the car of the new water pump and the thermostat, I was on a little rush because I wanted the car to be finished the same day. So I was trying to rush everything, and the plug that connects to the water pump, right? When I was taking the old water pump out, I kind of accidentally break a little bit of the clip. So when I put the new one, I put the plug in, and when I connect all the other hoses, accidentally I disconnect the plug a little bit. So when I was trying to turn on the water pump to bleed the system, it wasn't turning on. So what I did is I just went underneath the car again, and without taking anything apart, I tried to see what it could be. So the first thing that came to my mind was to check the plug. When I touched the plug to see if it was loose or anything, it just came out of the plug. So I put it back in, I pushed it hard until I heard the clip snaps. And then I just tried to bleed the system, and it bleeds. So yeah, that shows you don't do the things on a rush. Take your time, double check everything, because you don't want to spend. I tried to finish in one day, and then it took me 2 weeks to use my car again because I was on a rush. So when you're doing something yourself, just take your time, don't rush it, just double check everything, make sure everything is connected properly before you finish everything. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. I'm trying to do like more. I'm gonna start doing more vlogs soon. I never vlogged before, so bear with me. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, I'm Racing. I do a lot of things on my cars. Please hit that subscribe button over there so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram as like at @Collina_racing or at Collina Racing. Not sure. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you can follow me over there too. I do a lot of things over there on my Instagram stories. So sometimes I'm not on YouTube, but I'm always on Instagram. So yeah, I'm gonna be uploading videos every week, at least one. I don't have an exact day that I'm gonna be uploading. I'm trying to figure that out because my job give me different day off every week. So I'm trying to use that day off to make a video, edit it, and upload it. So I'm gonna try to be the same day as possible, but sometimes it's gonna be different day. But for sure, I'm gonna do my best to do one video at least every week. Alright? As always, thanks for watching, guys. Racing here. If you like this video, guys, hit that like button over there. If you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. And yeah, let me see what you think about my car. What you think about my car without the red stripe now. Let me know in the comments below. I want to know what you think. It looks better. It looks you like it more with the stripe. Let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Wow.